Black Friday is here. Mychway brings you unbeatable bundle deals to elevate your beauty business. Bundle 1. Portable 6-in-1 Cavitation plus Wood Therapy Set. Perfect for body sculpting and relaxation. Bundle K 6-in-1 Cavitation plus Wood Therapy Set. Bundle 3. Mini 5-in-1 Cavitation plus Red Light Therapy Belt. Ideal for fat reduction and skin rejuvenation. Bundle 4. Aristorm 9-in-1 Cavitation plus Beauty Bed plus Trolley. Complete professional setup for your salon. Exclusive Black Friday discounts. Shop now.